Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Hey loves, it's your girl Cierra Semone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a full face tutorial using mainly NYX Cosmetics. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let's get right into this makeup look. So first I'm going in with my eyeshadow base in the skin tone shade and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. I am using my Brights Edition NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and I love this palette. It has so many different colors. It's like the rainbow, so you can definitely get so many different looks out of this palette. But today I decided to go with a pink look. So I decided to go in and apply this mauve type pink shade to my eyelid and then blend those edges out of the eyeshadow to try to give it a nice, perfect, seamless blend. So I'm going back into that mauve pink shade and I'm just going to reapply that to my eyelid just to bring more pigmentation to that color. And then once again, just blend that on out. Next, I'm going to go in with an even darker pink shade from the palette to add depth to my eyelid. I'm adding this shade right into the crease of my eyelid and then I'm just going to blend that away, okay? Period. Make sure you blend that out, honey. Okay, so I got this little trick from this influencer by the name of Beats by Debs, and she got it from P. Louise Makeup Academy. And when I tell you, this is the best little tip ever. So basically, you just use a Q-tip or a small eyeshadow brush and Vaseline or coconut oil, and basically just carve out your cut crease like you would with concealer. I don't have the steadiest of hands, so this trick really comes in handy when I'm doing all of my cut creases. So if you feel the same type of way, let me know if you try it down in the comments. Now I'm using a multi-reflective eyeshadow that looks like a baby pink creamsicle color, and I'm going to apply that to where I decided to carve my cut crease. I decided to use a little bit of setting spray on my brush to really pick up that eyeshadow, and baby, this eyeshadow is to die for. It is so pretty. I'm using the Maybelline New York Eye Studio eyeliner in the color Black is Black, just to give a base for my lashes and a nice little wing. Nothing too major. Like I said, I don't have the steadiest hands, so yeah, I'm not doing all of that, okay? Okay. So these are my go-to lashes, okay, honey? I love Eyelure London. They have a great lash line. All of the lashes are quality, but I definitely love the collaboration that they have with Jasmine Brown. And these are in the style JB, okay? And I also do love using the glue that comes with the lashes, the white glue or any type of white glue, just because you don't have to worry about all of that extra glue coming off or anything like that. Alright, I'm going to do the other lash off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, honey, now we are onto this face, and I know you see that it's an oily mess. So I want to say that this video is definitely for people with oily skin. I'm using all matte products by NYX, and so yeah. So first we have to use a primer. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Base in 100, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Warm Mahogany, and I absolutely love this foundation. It is a full coverage foundation and it blends out so well. Now I'm using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX Concealer in the shade Golden Honey. And I'm going to place that in all the places that I would like to highlight. So under my eyes, down my nose, and basically all over. And I'm just going to blend that out. And baby, please take your time when blending out, because this is really the key to having a flawless makeup look. And that's on period. So now we have to bring some color back to this face. So I'm using the Black Opal Contour Stick in the shade Carob. And then I'm going to be using my angled brush just to blend that on out. Okay, so now to one of my favorite parts. We need to set this concealer. I'm going to be using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop setting powder in the shade Banana. And I'm going to place that in all of the places that I highlighted. So once again, under my eyes, down my nose, and in all of those other places again. Also, I need to set this contour, so I'm using the matte bronzer by NYX in the shade Deep Tan. Like I stated before, all of these products are for oily skin, so definitely give it a try if you have that. Ooh, oh my gosh, if you guys made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel to join the gang, and also turn on those post notifications to stay updated with my channel. Now to one of the best highlighter palettes in my personal opinion, the ABH Glow Kit palette. Honestly, I use all 4 highlighter shades because together they are so bomb, and then gives you that nice natural glow. I'm going to use the shade Tourmaline, I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm wrong, forgive me, from the highlighter palette. And I'm just going to place that right in the inner corner of my eye, just to give my eye look a little pop. To set all of this goodness in, I'm going to be using the HD Studio Finishing Powder by NYX. And when I tell you guys this is the best product ever, I really mean it. When I place this on, I'm like, oily who? Oily where? Period. You can't tell me nothing once I place this on my face, and that's that. To bring out my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Light Liner in the shade White Luster, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line. Now to complete my eye look, I am going to go back into that darker pink color from the palette, and I'm going to place that underneath my eye. Last but not least, we are going to use the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Multitasking Spray. That was a lot, but it is supposed to last up to 8 hours, and honestly, I love this spray. I'm going to spray a generous amount of that all over, and then I'm going to fan that out, and baby, we are done. So loves, this is the final look, and I am in love. This definitely came out so cute. Definitely was the pretty and pink look that I was envisioning, and I think I accomplished that for sure. Alright my babies, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.